So I believe in leading by example. So I want to show you something. This is a website domain site where you can build your website or legally get your .com or whatever you're looking for. And this is DreamHost. So you see what I'm on, and you should check it out. So if you don't have a .com or whatever you need, this is the place to go. Well, here you see Hog On. It's owned by me, Hog On Welding. And then Feniks.com. So I wanted to make sure that I own my name.com, my business.com, and every time I come up with a idea, a brand, a design, something to sell, another business, I'm gonna have a .com. So right now this is just 2 of my .coms, but I actually have 3 different businesses. I just don't have a .com under that business at the moment, but my goal is to go on and get it registered. I got the LLC started and had to step back from the business to focus on some other ones. So I was like, well, you know what, I'm not really worried about nobody stealing that one because I haven't promoted or said anything about it. And plus the way that the business is named, it kind of stands out for us. You know, it stands out alone. So it ain't like I'm worried about somebody coming up with that idea. But you need to most definitely get that ownership going, man. Get that website going. Or if you don't, have time enough just to get the website completely off the ground, like if you don't have the money, at least buy your domain. Well, can't nobody else get it from under you, and you can pay for it and buy it yearly or every 3 years or whatever you want to do until you figure it out. But get some ownership. Hold on.